Hello friends, in the previous video we have discussed about examples of virtual reality input devices. Now in this video we will learn about haptics and haptics feedback. So let's start. The term haptics comes from the Greek word haptikos. The meaning of haptikos is being able to come into contact. It is the science of applying touch, sensation, and control to interact with the computer applications. In the real phenomena, user should be able to touch the virtual object and must feel a response from it. But in virtual reality, it is a very challenging task and user can be able to interact with the environment and he get a feedback. He can do this by the haptic feedback. The haptic technology is a touch feedback technology which take advantage of the sense of touch by applying the forces, vibrations or motions to the user. Haptic devices gives people a sense of touch with the computer generated environment such that when virtual objects are touched, they seem as real. The haptic information is a combination of two information. First is tactile or touch information and the second is kinesthetic information. In the tactile or touch information, it refers to the response of the receptors of the skin in contact with object. While in kinesthetic information, it refers to the information acquired through the sensors in the human joints. Here we can see how to get feedback or haptic feedback. The human operator hold or wear the interface device and perceive audio visuals feedback from the audio and visual display. Here we can see user hold or wear devices and these audio and video signals as a feedback received by these devices to the human, which is called haptic feedback. Haptic is implemented through different type of interactions and these interactions can be classified into different type of touch sensation which received by the user. These are tactile or touch feedback and second is force feedback. In the touch feedback, this allows the user to feel the things such as the texture of surface, temperature and the vibration. In the force feedback, it reproduces the directional force that can result from solid boundaries. For example, the weight of the virtual object. The haptic sensations are three types. First is kinesthetic or force sense, second is tactile or touch sense, and the third is temperature or thermal sense. So let's see about these. Kinesthetic or force sense It is a feeling of power and force. Tactile or touch sense, it is the sensation of the textures. And temperature or thermal sense, it is the sensation of cold, heat. These sensations tell us about two important factors: temperature of the relative object and the nature of the object. Haptic devices can be classified as two categories: virtual reality or telerobotics based devices. These are stationary device, gloves and wearable device, point source and specific task devices, and in the feedback devices, these are force feedback device or touch display devices. The area of haptics where we can use is a very wide. In computer graphics, haptic help to enable a user to feel something happening in the computer's mind through a typical interface. In human, it tells us how humans and living beings experience of touch, feeling or sensation of uh, cold and heat. In machinery, it tells us how mechanical devices touch and feel their environment. The applications of haptic technology which are generally used in computer and video games, in mobile devices, the tactile or touch feedback is most commonly used in cellular device. In PCs, personal computers like in Apple MacBook and MacBook Pro, we use touchpad. In virtual reality, haptics are gaining widespread acceptance as a key part of virtual reality system. In medical field, in medicines, haptic interface for medical simulations. It may provide specifically useful for training in minimally invasive procedures such as laparoscopy and interventional radiology. In robotics, we use as teleoperation or telerobotics, and also in the art and designing field for virtual arts like sound synthesis or graphics designing or for the animations. So these are the few applications. The area or applications of haptic technology is very wide where we can use haptic technology. So this is all over this video. Thank you.